Starting with tool trucks in 1977, LDV has grown to supply customers all over the world with the finest mobile command centers, bookmobiles, mobile medical units, and emergency response vehicles. But LDV is more than just a custom truck builder. We're a family business. Proud to call Burlington, Wisconsin our home, we're passionate about what we do. We're a team of industry-leading sales, service, and support professionals. We're engineers and fabricators. We're woodworkers and welders. We're builders and detailers. And we all work towards the same common goal: create the world's greatest custom specialty vehicles. We infuse over 40 years of experience into every truck we build or retrofit. From the initial concept to the final delivery, we are committed to quality. You can depend on us when your communities are depending on you the most. We're LDV.